Ladies and gentlemen, myself Saurav over here. Today in this event I'm going to unbox a brand new processor from Intel, and the model name of this processor is Intel i5-10400. It's a 10th generation processor. I would show you everything in detail about this processor in this video, and also I would show you how to install a processor on your motherboard professionally. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel Tech Flair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the Flipkart box packaging because I bought this processor from Flipkart at 14,200 rupees. At that time there was a credit card offer, and using my credit card I got this at that price. Flipkart box packaging is well and good. I don't have any issue on the Flipkart box packaging. Let's open the box and check what is inside the box. This is the main box from Intel, and the processor has been kept in this blue colored box. Some basic information and main features of the processor is written on the box. Let's open the box and check the processor out. Some specification of this processor: as it's a 10th generation Intel Core processor. It has 6 cores and 12 threads. Base frequency is 2.9 GHz and the maximum turbo frequency is 4.30 GHz. This processor has a 12 MB Intel Smart Cache. TDP is 65 watt. Maximum memory size is 128 GB and the supported memory type is DDR4 266. Maximum memory bandwidth is 41.6 GB per second, and also this processor has Intel Ultra HD Graphics 630. Graphics base frequency is 350 MHz and the maximum dynamic frequency is 1.10 GHz. This is nothing but the user manual, which is generally given with most of the electronics goods. The user manual describes how to install your processor and how to install the stock cooler given by Intel. You can see the branding top of the cooler. The build quality and the build material of this cooler is very good, but if you want to overclock your processor, then you have to need an external CPU cooler or a liquid cooler.